What's up? It's Outdoor Smith here, and we'll camp out lunch today with my brother and dad. I'm gonna show you around camp quickly, and we'll see what happens from there. That is my tent. As you should all know, my general setup. Pretty nice and cozy like usual. Over here is and that red one is my brother's tent. And we're gonna take a sneak peek right in there. Without getting diseased. I think the tent's a little short for the pad. And I guess we'll go to my dad's pad tent. Set up. And all wondering down. And I guess oh boys, I think I just found something. I just think I found Bigfoot's stash. I didn't know Bigfoot was out here drinking. I guess tonight I have to make sure my tent's closed. Yeah, I didn't know Bigfoot was like that. How clear that water is, man. Could you come and help me a little? poop. Looks fresh. A couple hours ago, maybe.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel. Oh, it's real. Oh, baby, come on now. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Oh, before I lose it all.
Once you start hearing crackling, then you know it's more or less building.
I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel.
We'll keep it small.
Oh, it's real.
We're not allowed to have it more than what, a foot?
Something like that.
Baby,
Like a
come
place.
on now. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where you are before I lose it all. Let me know where.
Hey, Dad. Are we going to ignore the fact there's a creepy cabin right behind us?
And the door's open.
We could get pulled in by the drunk Bigfoot. I found his secret stash.
Yeah.
I don't know, he might be drinking with that bear right now.
Secret stash of what?
Beer.
Oh.
Well, I'm going in. I might I might not come out. Going home. I don't know, maybe she has a pre-cooked dinner for me. Bigfoot. You can see the black rats have gotten in here. Probably hanging out with Bigfoot. Okay. So we could see that people have been used to sleeping here all the time. If I'm correct, this was built by the Mordens family. And we have 2 bunks. I don't know if that's showing. As you see, we have 2 bunks on this side. 2 bunks on this side. Well, it used to be 2 bunks. But you could see they're kind of no longer there. I wouldn't personally ever sleep in here because of pack rats. These bunks don't look that comfortable. Like, seriously, there's a nail right there. It's gonna pop my pad. But except that, it was probably pretty cozy back then. Stove. Pack rats have gone in and unplugged it. Yeah, this place is on the fall apart here. Sadly. It's a cool little place. So that's the history of the cabin.
All the Paulses built the cabin some 40 years ago. And I've been coming up to this cabin since I was your age.
Mm-hmm.
But on horseback. It used to be all forest. Like, there used to be a river here. It's all gone now. They locked it up. They used to drive up to it now.
Yeah.
Literally.
It's very nostalgic for you.
Yeah. I wanted to take you guys to the cabin. I didn't want to drive you guys to the cabin. But you know, oh well. Hey, at least I got you guys to the cabin. This is the second time.
Yeah. It looks like it's gonna fall over any day now.
Probably the snow, right?
Yeah.
Because before it had a canopy of forest around it, right? I think that protected it. There's nothing protecting it. So it gets the whole way.
Dude! Whoa. BK7. Custom sheet.
You good? I saved my hot dog. Holy fuck. Dude, you almost fell in. Big hot dog. No one's waiting for
People go through fall school camping, I'm gonna get wet.
Fuck. Saved you. Dude. What?
Cheese box.
Yeah.
Some of this or
Well guys, I'm gonna go to sleep here. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace out.